Hola chicas, ¿qué tal estáis? Espero que estén bien. I hope chicas, hope you're all doing okay. The last couple of chapters, we just did a few exercises out of Kete Pasa, so that was looking at your body parts, um, your enfermedades, your sicknesses, and then like your some of your medicines, the medicina like jarabe, aspirina, all those. So hoy vamos a empezar. We're just going to start off this capítulo on chapter 11, okay? And then hopefully if we're back after Easter, we'll be probably just working through some of this capítulo 11 y capítulo 12. We're looking through chapters 11 and 12 just to try and catch up on some of these actividades antes de empezar quinto año, just before you start fifth year, okay? So this chapter here is just linked into ¿Qué harías? What would you do? And in this unit, we're kind of looking at, making invitations, talk about pocket money, if you have a part-time job, and things you'd like to do in the future. But we're kind of looking more at the invitations part of it as well, okay? So I'm just going to pick out different bits and pieces from this chapter that I think is important, and we're going to work through it total juntos all together, all right? So the first little bit we're going to have a look at, so this is chapter starting on página 242, page 242, 246. That's where we're at, chapter 11 in your textbook, okay? So we have started that, okay? So what I'm just going to we're going to skip this first comprehension here. We're going to leave this. We're not going to worry too much about this. Okay? I'm just going to pick and choose what we need, okay? So that's perfect. But we're going to have a look at, we're going to have a look here at this, okay? We have a look here at quedamos. So quedamos in Espanol means let's meet up, okay? Quedamos literally translated as let's meet up, okay? Quedamos, so will we meet up? And here we've got cuatro WhatsApps. So you got four WhatsApp messages. You've got uno aquí, dos, tres, cuatro. Okay. I'm just going to hide a little bit of vocab on here. So first one you got, lee este WhatsApp and complete the class. So complete the box. So I'll show you the box. So first one you got is you go and vamos la discoteca. So they're talking about going to the discotheque. Okay. Second one here we're going to la biblioteca. Okay. So acompañarme. Do you want to go with me? Then got te apetece. That's your apetecer, and that just means would you like to, or would you fancy, or it's kind of like do you feel like doing something? Okay, so here you're saying te apetece ir al cine. Do you feel like going to the cinema este viernes? Okay, and this last one here is te gustaría. This te gustaría means translates as would you like to. So te gustaría ir al zoo. Would you like to go to the zoo? Okay, so what I want you to have a look at first thing is just read through those quattro here, read through these four here, and then I'll send you out the Google Doc. And on the Google Doc, I just want you to fill in the four boxes here. The donde is the where, okay? The cuando is the when, and the plan is what plans do they have, okay? So I'll send this out in the Google Doc. What you can do if you want, if you're just filling these in, is you can just put them in English. So donde is where, so you can put down the place. Cuando is your when, so you just write down the date. And the plan is what plans is the person trying to make, okay? So that's kind of the first four here, okay? The vocabulary is bastante, the vocab is nice and easy, not too tricky. So we'll get you to work through that, okay? The second thing I just want you to have a look at as well, we'll have a look at this después de Semana Santa, is after Easter. We're going to look at two listings, okay? And you can just escribir those, you can just do these into your book, okay? Well, sorry, we'll skip this lesson. I'm just going to actually have a look at this lesson here. Me va bien, okay? So all I want you to do here is I'll send you out this listening track 1102. You've got two people. You've got Gonzalo and you've got Blanca. So Gonzalo and Blanca are trying to organize to meet up, okay? And Gonzalo was inviting her to the La Playa. So well, I'll send you this track here, okay? And then what you do is just fill in the little blanks as you hear it, okay? So this is kind of it's about fácil, I think, they're trying to organize una cita, trying to organize a date. So you've got Gonzalo, Blanca, and you've got a few different blanks, okay? So just a little recap, what I want you to have a look at. We're going into this chapter 11 is página 244, page 244. Read through these four, okay? There's uno, dos, tres, cuatro. You've got four kind of people organizing, and then just fill in English. I'll make this up. You're going to fill in the donde, the where, the cuando, the when, and the planes. So read through the four and fill in the where, when, and what was the plan. And then the second thing I just want you to trick at is just look here at the me va bien. Okay, so you've got two people, Gonzalo y Blanca, and you're just going to fill in the lesson that you hear here. Is that okay, chicas? So we'll have a look at this here. We'll have a look at this when we get back. Hopefully we'll be back in person después de Semana Santa. Muchas gracias, chicas, y nos vemos o talk again hopefully después de Semana Santa. Adiós.